Oh, he's a big one. He's not small. Oh, all right.
That pole don't bend much, does it?
He's even on there.
He's on there.
Nope.
They gonna run for it?
I know it's my arterizes of my fingers. So I can't bend and hold on to them real good.
Ooh!
You see him?
You see that thing bend?
You can just take your time.
It just look at it. Look at it. Look at the pole. Look at the pole.
Oh yeah.
Well, he's holding under, so where is he at?
He's in the water. Still, he doesn't want to come to shore.
Well, I just don't want him to go under the boat.
That's okay.
You do it fine. Not much you can do about it. Just keep reeling.
He's a big one. He's not a big little bluegill. Wherever he's at.
You think it's a catfish?
Oh, yeah.
Man.
Ooh. Oh man, that looks like a giant salmon. Oh, that's the biggest one yet.
Yep.
Oh, this one's going wild too.
Well, he is a biggie. No wonder he didn't want to come home.
Oh, he's a pretty one.
Yeah, it's even pretty colored looking one.
Pretty colored, clean.
Yeah, you'll go ahead and hold him.